swoosh, rollie on my waist, diamonds up and down my chest. The beast stay stambling and tell me nothing boss them and not change the game. Here's my biggie bros, boogie got all the girls, show my big fat eyes got all the girls, hook up on the views, now I'm up on the bass. Bruno say to me while I do my money dance like, hey, flexing on the ground like, hey, hit the loot jump, okay, okay. Oh yeah, we tripping if you dance, get back.
Ooh, I told me look good together. There's a reason why they watch all night long.
All night long.
Yeah, don't be tell me it's forever.
Forever.
So tonight I'm gonna show you how.
Yeah, no more than new.
With you.
I want the whole room
I want you to move change.
Es muy difícil.
That's what to do.
Baby, that's what to do.
My baby, don't blame.
No.
Blame it on my confidence.
Stop blaming on the measurements. Shut shit down on sight.
That's right.
I ain't trapping in finesse. It don't make no sense. I ain't trapping in finesse. You know as you know. I ain't trapping in finesse. It don't make no sense. I ain't trapping in finesse. You know you got it going on.
Si t'ha agradat este vídeo que acabes de veure, subscriu-te al canal de YouTube de Family Duo. Vinga, a què esperes?